Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on ZTE Blade A32. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens, so I'm going to show you the other trick for that. In the first step, open your web browser and go to the google.com. Now click on the three-dot icon or arrow icon and select desktop site. Click on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow permission. Select the photo that you want to search in the Google and click done. Now whole process search automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google picture database. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.